Rest and laughter are the most spiritual and subversive acts of all. In this episode of the series, Panchatattva, Dr. Sunita Acharya shares her next tip for a healthy living on how rest can generate happy hormones. Please like, subscribe to our channel Digital Wellness. Please watch our Bits and Bytes series on Panchatattva in case you haven't already. And stay tuned for more interesting tips.
Welcome back. Today we are understanding about rest and the laughter. Rather than laughter, being happy, okay, being joyful. Rest. People think resting means only sleeping for 8 hours, 10 hours, or whenever time permits, sleeping. It is not only sleeping. Resting means always in a state of relaxation. When we are not in a hurry mode, when we are enjoying the present, when we are in the present, that is the state of rest. It, when we are in the state of rest, no need for us to take rest separately. Unless we are physically exerted ourselves so much, we don't need much rest. If you see the sages or the enlightened beings or the rishis, I heard they used to sleep only 3 to 4 hours in a day. That too, when they felt that my body needs rest, they sleep. It is not that you have to sleep only in the night or no. It is a rest means you are giving a pause to the whole system and rejuvenating it again, getting back to the working mode. So always being active. That too, when you feel that always being active, when we do the work that we love. Suppose if somebody is forcing you to do some work, 1 hour looks like one day. But if you are involved in the work and if you are enjoying the work, 4 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, it just goes like 10 minutes. You don't even bother about what is the time, whether I ate food or not, nothing. When a person is working, whatever the work he does, if he is enjoying and involved in it and putting his conscious effort to complete the task, there is no need to take rest. That itself is a way of resting. But really speaking, what exactly happens when we are resting? When we are resting, body starts repairing, body starts refreshing, body starts preparing ourselves to do better. That is the state of rest. We are creating some happy hormones when we are resting. There is a satisfaction of doing what we love to do and giving some pause in the way saying that sharpening ourselves and again getting back to the work. So, whatever the work we do, when we involve in it 100% and we love to do that work, we always in a state of rest and don't need to go for a separate rest. But still, it is not practically possible for everybody to be in that state of rest. But what we have to do? Just focus on deep breathings. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold the breath as much as you can and exhale for 4 counts. Or inhale as much as you can, hold as much as you can, and exhale slowly as much as you can. That also a way of resting yourself in between the work. Or just a power nap, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. If you tell your body that I'm going to rest for 20 minutes, no need to keep any alarm. Alarm, the word itself is alarming. But if you tell yourself that in 20 minutes I'm going to wake up, naturally your body will wake you up. So that is how you are resting. That kind of resting you will enjoy a lot. So, when you rest and give proper pause and enjoy the work that you are doing, automatically that leads to a state of contentment, a satisfaction, self satisfaction that leads to happiness. We are always joy. It is in a state of joyfulness, especially that comes when we work for others. We are not expecting any fruits of it. We are putting the best effort and doing for the others. There is no self involved in it. You are not looking for what I get the benefit. When you are targeting what the benefit I am going to get, there will be so much of stress. But when you remember, I am doing this work, this gives happiness to others, automatically that kind of work brings you joy. So we are working for our existence, we are working for our family, we are working as a responsible family member. But when you understand why I am doing this, is it only for me to fulfill my needs and for my family? No, I am becoming part of building this society. I am contributing myself for the nation. It's not necessary that you have to do a big job, but whatever the work you are doing, if you have that kind of intention of this is my contribution towards my nation or to the society or to my educational institution or my gratitude towards my teachers, my gurus, you are adding value to that. That brings so much of joy. So these are the simple things when we adopt, automatically we are inviting the joy or the happiness to our lives. I hope you understood the real meaning of rest and happiness. See you soon.